Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talk, your source for next-gen innovation. Today, we're diving into Huawei's boldest laptop yet, the MateBook Fold. A foldable PC? Running Harmonious? Let's break it down. At first glance, it looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But this is real, and one 8.3-inch OLED display that folds into a compact 13-inch form, complete with a digital keyboard. It's not just sleek, it's groundbreaking. And at just 7.3 millimeters thin when open, it's thinner than a smartphone. The MateBook Fold is all about elegance. You've got a synthetic leather wrap that gives it a professional, premium vibe, available in black, white, and blue. The hinge? It's Huawei's new droplet-style 3-segment hinge, crafted from zirconium-based liquid metal. Strong, fluid, and built to last thousands of folds. The display itself is stunning: 3K resolution, 1600 nits peak brightness, and an impressive 2,000,000:1 contrast ratio. Whether you're editing video, watching a movie, or multitasking, it's vivid and immersive. And thanks to Elpo Tech, it automatically adjusts the refresh rate to save power. Under the hood, you're getting 32 GB of RAM and either 1 TB or 2 TB of SSD storage, serious specs for a serious machine. While Huawei hasn't revealed the exact chip, it supports up to 28W performance, backed by a dual-fan cooling system and a vapor chamber that keeps temps cool during intensive work. And here's where it gets really interesting: Harmonious 5. This is Huawei's homegrown operating system, and it's finally making its debut on laptops. What's the advantage? Seamless multi-device collaboration. Drag a file from your phone to your laptop. Take a call on your watch and share notes to your tablet, all in one ecosystem. Huawei calls it the Super Device experience, and it's honestly impressive. Right now, Harmonious supports over 150 native PC apps, 1,000+ ecosystem apps, and is compatible with 1,100+ third-party peripherals. It's not just a flashy OS, it's fully functional for real work. The only catch? You'll want to be deep in the Huawei ecosystem to get the most out of it. The base model starts at 23,999 yuan, which is around $3,300 USD, and the 2 TB version will cost 26,999 yuan, or roughly $3,745. Pre-orders in China have already crossed 140,000, showing massive early interest. Unfortunately, there's no global release date just yet. This isn't just a laptop. It's a statement. Huawei is pushing boundaries not just with hardware, but with software too. The MateBook Fold isn't for everyone, but it's definitely for those who want to live in the future today. What do you think about foldable laptops? Game changer or just a flex? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, because on Tech Talk, we unfold the future one video at a time. See you in the next one.